Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the overall crypto market as well as give a quick update on CRO and my price targets that I have for it. Guys, we are at 9,110 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and at 25,000 subscribers, you're giving away this loaded line NFT. Super excited to give it away. Lots of giveaways to come, guys. Super excited. Let's hop into this video. So as of right now, Bitcoin and the overall market is consolidating to the upside. Bitcoin dominance is relatively flatlined since yesterday, but we are above 27,000, which is nice to see. However, as long as we're below 28,200, I do think that we are probably going to be headed to the downside, unfortunately. Just some consolidation and sideways action to the downside. But let's take a look at CRO because right now we are underneath this key level of 0.0689 cents, which has basically been our home for quite some time, and now we're below it. And I think the longer we stay below it, there's much more likely of a chance that we move down to the 5.5 cent mark and maybe even 5 cents, maybe even breaking below this. Do I think there's a high probability of that? Not necessarily, unless Bitcoin makes the appropriate moves, the respected moves that would make that happen, which would basically be breaking below the $25,000 price level. But until we get to 25,000, I'm going to be tentatively watching and just being cautiously optimistic that we're going to stay above 5.5 cents. But I will say, guys, if CRO does go to 5 cents, that's going to be a very, very good buying opportunity. Honestly, anything below 0.0689 cents, I am accumulating CRO, but it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good for accumulation right now. Time is on our side, guys. When we look over at Bitcoin, we zoom out a little bit. These blue lines representing the Bitcoin halvings. We are below the key level of 28,200 on the weekly time frame, which does indicate to me that we have a higher probability of moving down here to 25,000. But as we accumulate in this price range, leading into the Bitcoin halving, probably more something like this, leading into the Bitcoin halving, I really do believe that we're going to have some massive, massive gains. This year, leading into the Bitcoin halving, is the year of accumulation. This is the time to be buying crypto, specifically Bitcoin in this time frame leading into the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of these bigger altcoins. You know, in a video a couple days ago, I talked about how I personally believe that CRO could bleed out 40% against Bitcoin leading into the Bitcoin halving. Go check that video out because I know it sounds alarming, but it is possible. I think that right now Bitcoin is probably the safest bet for your money. And now that's not considered I'm not going to say that's going to be for the entire cycle, obviously. There's different seasons you can call it, like altcoin season. Once altcoin season comes around, that's probably more of an appropriate time where CRO will maybe increase by, say, 1,000% against Bitcoin. That's very, very possible. So I will say that, though, that right now I do think that this is the year of accumulation between 19,500 and low 40,000s leading into the Bitcoin halving, about 11 months away. Those are my price ranges for Bitcoin. And that being said, I do think that CRO could come down to 5 cents if, say, Bitcoin comes down to the low end between 20,000 and basically anything underneath 25,000. I think that CRO could reach 5 cents, 5.5 cents most likely, but 5 cents is on the table if we get that low. The S&P 500, we are having a green day. A lot of stocks are moving to the upside right now, which is very interesting to see. We'll see if the fear will let off and we actually can have a rally. If we can have a rally, that'd be pretty fantastic on the S&P 500. But we're going to have to keep a very, very, very close eye on that because we have to see what the Federal Reserve has to say if they want to tank the market. You know, the Federal Reserve selling their stocks into strength, if you want to call this strength, but we'll have to see how that plays out. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out the description box below. We have these awesome referral links, as well as consider becoming a member of the channel. All you gotta do is go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis and loyalty badges, our private Discord, and on top of that, you get access to 10 additional entries each month you are a member at winning this loaded line NFT that we're giving away 25,000 subscribers. Guys, I want to say thank you so much. We're at almost 10,000 subscribers, a huge milestone for us, and we're going to give away that Bitcoin. We're super excited about it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all I got. Bye.